Tether Gold could fall 0.4% by June 18 per Gov Capital Collector analysis. To start, here's how the movement looks at this stage. Right now, Tether Gold is showing a daily loss of 0.1% and sits close to $4,309.70. Now, let's look at what the analysts expect. Gov Capital Collector gives a forecast of $4,294.04 by June 18, which would be 0.4% below today. Tether Gold is likely to approach $4,305.06 per CoinCodex, showing a decrease of about 0.1%. CoinDataFlow highlights the outlook for reaching $4,318.60, a potential gain of 0.2%. Another projection from Traders Union indicates Tether Gold may head toward $4,324.55, a gain estimated at 0.3%. And to wrap up, coin price forecast points to $4,362 by tomorrow, a projected increase of 1.2%. That's the most profitable scenario overall. That's 5 forecasts done. Let's see what's next. Here's how the 5 forecasts translate into numbers and probabilities. Looking at the forecasts as a whole, the likely range for price movement is between a decrease of 0.4% and a rise of 1.2%, depending on the analyst. Considering all forecasts, coin price forecast is at the top with 1.2% upturn in value by June 18. So it turns out you could earn between $1 and $12 for every $1,000 you invest. Using recent volatility figures, CoinCodex's forecast points to the top probability at 71.7%. Taking every forecast into account, I've built one shared consensus scenario. Based on the consensus, Tether Gold is projected to stay close to $4,320.85. Let's break it down. The consensus scenario points to a 0.2% price increase under the current outlook. In straightforward terms, your capital might climb by the same 0.2% tied to that outcome. For every $1,000 put in, this scenario could point to about $2 gained. Based on the consensus, the probability for this outcome stands near 70.6%. Here's the part where we explore the expected price trajectory for the next 3 days, based on analysts' views. Gov Capital Collector highlights that Tether Gold may hover around current levels. Likewise, CoinCodex expects Tether Gold to remain close to current prices, showing little to no directional momentum. CoinDataFlow signals a steady decline. Traders Union anticipates further appreciation for Tether Gold. Additionally, coin price forecast suggests bullish momentum will carry the price higher. The consensus forecast highlights a neutral outlook, keeping Tether Gold in a narrow trading range over this horizon. In summary, the majority of forecasts point to an upward path for Tether Gold. 2 days ago, 5 sites posted forecasts for the day ahead. That day has already played out, so let's see how they matched. In the end, the price wrapped up the day at $4,312.80. Just one forecast managed to align with how the market actually moved. The prediction with the highest precision was made by CoinCodex. Time to line things up. All 5 forecasts were outside the candle's limits. Speaking of ROI, the only positive forecast came from coin price forecast at 0.4%. And now on screen is the full fact check summary. A quick look at how the forecasts actually performed. As seen in today's data, CoinCodex delivered minus 0.4% ROI and $48.99 accuracy. Try to spot the analyst with the most accurate outcome. And now let's see where Tether Gold stands among other cryptocurrencies in tomorrow's forecasts. According to tomorrow's forecasts, Tether Gold stands at 5th place and Athena shows 3.3% potential return. For now, I've compared Tether Gold with just 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison is already featured on my website. Before we close, hit like and subscribe to keep analyst opinions coming straight to you with no extra effort. See you in the next one.